Hi guys, my name is Eric. Thank you so much for coming if this is your first time. If you are returning, thank you for returning again. For my new people, I usually post on YouTube every day, unless I don't have time. And then what I will be trying to do though is record 7 videos in one day, so I have something to upload. And then the next week I can film 7 more, and then kind of just keep doing that. Because I've been kind of slacking with these videos, so I do apologize for that. I do intend to post every day though. So hopefully you will join this YouTube cult going on here. Um, but yeah, let's get into the video. Hi guys, so I will be doing a video on my highlighter drawer. Oh, that's not supposed to be in there. Um, but yeah, let's just get into it because my highlighter drawer is like crazy big, which is kind of funny because I always hated highlighter before I got into makeup. I thought it was like the weirdest thing that people bought. So yeah, let's jump into this. I got my Skin Frost from Jeffree Star. I got the shade Ice Queen. I really like this shade. It's very sparkly in the sun. So like this shade is it makes you look, it's not like a subtle glow, it's like sparkle. So this one is beautiful during the summertime. And that's kind of similar to these two. These are more like finer glitters, so they're not as intense, but they can be like super duper intense. It's just the glitter's not as big. So these are cool, but I don't usually use the shimmers as like I thought I would, you know? Like I don't use it as much. Like this is kind of, I think it's expired, but I'm still gonna keep it because I love this. Okay, let's see. And then we also have these Wet n Wild highlighters. I love these highlighters. These highlighters are like probably like my favorite drugstore formula. I bought a bunch of them during Black Friday because I usually like the weirder shades, so it's never like, they never sell out, so they always put them on sale, and then I can always like just buy them on sale. This is the only normal one I have because my sister gave it to me. This one, oh my god, I love this shade. I love like highlighters that have like a blue, purple, iridescent hue to it. Oh, it just makes you look like you were like blessed by an alien. Let me try to swatch it. I don't know if I could do it with one hand. Let me try. Ugh. I don't know. I don't get this heart thing because it doesn't really have like anything to it, you know? It's just like useless. But this, oh my god, that's so stunning. Oh, I love it. It might give you like a little bit of a cast, but I don't really care. And then this one looks similar to the other one, but this one's more like greenish. And then we got this one. I think this one was like a white purple. I wanted to buy this like White Raven one that they had, but they sold out of that or something. And then I have this blue one. Yeah, I wouldn't use it, but I love like blue highlighters. And then, oh, we got the Kat Von D something palette. Oh my god, I can't open it. This one has like a green. Let's see. They all look kind of white, but if you like pop them, this one in the middle looks kind of purplish, but this blue one in the inner corner looks so freaking good. It like gives you that pop that you want. Okay, so we got that. And then we have my highlighters. I currently have 4 right now. This is the one that I'm working on. This one is like, where is it? Hold on. So like, you know those like Hourglass ambient light powders? They're kind of like a softer highlight where it doesn't look like you're wearing makeup. So that's what this one is. All my formulas are loose right now. Because that's the way I prefer my highlighters, because they just have way more intensity. But this one I made so it's like super duper soft. Like it doesn't even look like there's shimmer in it. Like if you like look at this, it looks like a bronzer or something, right? But when you like put it it still looks like matte, but when you like swatch it, like, let's see, it just gives you the most healthiest glow. Oh, it's so beautiful. This is like for like medium. I prefer this for like mature women and men that are just getting into makeup but don't want to look like they're wearing makeup. This is a perfect shade. I don't know when I'm gonna launch this, but I will be launching a secret shade on I don't know when, but it's gonna be like a holiday highlighter. And it's gonna be so awesome. So there's that. Then I have this Supreme Frost from Jeffree Star. I had Hypothermia, which is probably my absolute favorite highlighter, but my cat knocked it into the toilet, so it like got ruined. Because with these highlighters, apparently you can drop them and they won't shatter. Oh, I also have Northern Lights, but that's at my boyfriend's house. So it's like, it's more of a glittery finish, and it's supposed to be like a baked hybrid formula. It's like a gel hybrid, whatever. I love this formula. People don't like it too glittery, but I'm obsessed with this. Plus, you can drop it and it won't shatter. And Pat McGrath's formula is, I believe, identical to this for her special formula. Watch, if I drop it, nothing will happen. Maybe the packaging will break, but nothing. No shatter. I love it. Boom. Boom. Nothing. I don't like this shade in particular, but I think my sister got me like a mystery box and it was in there. I have this ColourPop. What is this? Smoke and Whistles Super Shock Cheek. It's cute, but for me, it's too pale. My sister gave it to me though, because she didn't want it, I think. So I was like, just give me all your makeup. So there's that. And then there's this black highlighter, but honestly, it's just a black eyeshadow with like pigment in it. Or a black eyeshadow with like sparkle in it. If you want like a real black highlighter, I don't know why you would, but I recommend the Jeffree Star Onyx, because they swatch completely different. This one has like, this one is like pure metallic. The other one is like black matte with sparkle. So like there's that. It is kind of broken though. And then I do have this Too Faced one. It was my sister's as well, but she didn't want it, so she gave it to me. It's kind of like soft. I don't know if like it went hard pan. Like it is like a beautiful shine. But it was too pale for me, so it always comes up too ashy. It's like a little bit chalky. Oh, I forgot I had this one. This is like a yellowish. It's like a deep yellow highlighter from their Halloween. I love their Halloween collections. I should probably check if they're on sale again. And this one's more of like a deeper pinkish red. Oh, and then I have this brush in here because this is an e.l.f. I think like body kabuki brush. I love using this to put it like all over my body because it just makes it way easier. Plus it was super cheap. Oh, and then I got these from Lemonhead. I've never used them. I bought this whole collection for this shade, Houdini. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. So like you see those like little blue things in it? They like vanish when you put it on your skin. You see this? I should put it. But like you can't see it until it hits like a certain light. So they're like invisible. Oh, it's so freaking cool. And they dry really nice. So like, oh my god, my legs hurt. Ugh. They dry nice though. And what's it called? They aren't sticky. So they kind of just like stay matte and stay stuck on your skin. So I really like that. And then let's see what else we got. I have a bunch of the Jeffree Star Skin Frost. I have the black one. I have the white one. I have King Tut because it came in a mystery box. I got So Fucking Gold, but it's too dark for me. I have Crystal Ball. This Chrome collection, I do not like. It's too like flaky for me. I'll try to learn how to use it like a different way, but the method that I use does not work with that. And then I have this. This is mint condition, but I already have one, so. And then I have the Moonchild, and then I have the Morphe one. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you found this video like beneficial at all, like if it helped you make any decisions on your purchases or anything. If you want, you can find me on Twitter at ericquezada24053, Snapchat at ericquezadaQ24053, the same one, Instagram ericnerd, and TikTok ericquezada8, and I'll have it all listed down below too. And I will see you guys in the next video. See you later.